Hello and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Angela and today I'm going to be bringing you guys some more cleaning motivation. As you can see, my bathroom is disgusting. So if you need some cleaning motivation, just keep on watching. So you guys, this bathroom is so gross. It is so gross and needs a really good deep cleaning. I'm going to really tackle this gross toilet. It has some nasty water stains and I bought a scoring stick. I had never tried it before. This was the first time that I had tried it. And let me tell you guys, that thing really worked pretty good. So these are the products that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using that scoring stick that I said. I had never used a barkeeper's friend, so I'm going to be trying that along with a few other products. So right now I'm just going to be clearing off this sink and wiping it down and just making it look good again. I was going to say clean again, cleaning it again. But yeah, that's what I'm doing here. So I don't know what happened to the footage of me scrubbing the top of the countertop with the barkeeper's friend, but you guys, the stuff works amazing. If you haven't already, please go out and grab some and try it because it just removed the soap scum like nothing. It just took it off really fast. I didn't even have any type of like harsh scrubber to scrub it off, so I'm pretty sure had I used like a sponge with a scrubber behind it, I don't know what those things are called, anyways, a scrubber, right? I'm pretty sure if I had to use one of those, it probably would have been a whole lot easier and a whole lot better, but I didn't have one, and so I just used what I had and it was amazing. So now I am going to move on to cleaning this bathtub. You guys, this is an old bathtub. It's older, and so the little black marks that you see on there, that's just like, it's a chipped bathtub. So those are not going to come off, but I'm just scrubbing everything really well. I first started by using the Dawn, and then I'm going to put some of that Barkeeper Friend over it and start scrubbing that onto the shower. So now I am going to try to remove these stains. The one closest to the toilet, I almost caught our house on fire because of the candle that you guys see on top of the countertop. I left it on too long, and so yeah, that's just candle burn and it won't come off. If anybody has any suggestions, please leave them in the comments. And now I am going to be working on cleaning this toilet. I am going to clean the outside of it, and then I'm going to work my way to the inside, and that is where I will be trying out the scorching stick. So you guys, this, if you haven't, you need to go and grab this and use it on your toilet if you have hard water stains like I did. Look at this. Okay, so that's hard water stains, right? I don't even know. I mean, it's freaking disgusting. Well, this side was the same way, right? The same way, but it's so much better. So I am going to continue to clean under here really well. And look at that. I mean, you can already see a really big difference. So I'm going to keep scrubbing it, and Then I'm gonna do the outside, and then I'm gonna finish cleaning the bathroom. So, yeah. Now I'm just gonna clean the rest of the bathroom. I'm gonna wipe down the walls and the trimming and the door and the floor. So that's what I'm doing here. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. We will see you in our next video. Bye. Say bye, Jordan.
Bye.
Say bye, Zachariah.
No.
Bye.